In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved by Affirm. If you're planning to use Affirm for a purchase, the best approach is to prepare before you apply. Think of this as improving your eligibility by making sure the information Affirm sees is clear, accurate, and aligned with your current financial situation. Whether this is your first time or you've used Affirm before, start by pausing for a quick pre-check. Confirm that you meet the basic eligibility rules, like being of legal age and living in a supported location. These are simple, but if they're not met, no amount of tweaking elsewhere will help. Next, be aware of your credit picture. Know your current credit score, what you owe, and to whom, including any existing plans with Affirm. Lenders look at the whole picture, not just one number, so high balances or multiple active loans can affect decisions. If you're unsure how your score is calculated or what's on your report, review the educational resources offered by the major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. They're the most reliable sources to help you understand your credit outside of Affirm. Help Affirm understand your finances by verifying your income. When you accurately confirm your income, whether by connecting to payroll or submitting documents, it gives a clearer view of what you can comfortably afford and can support a better fitting offer. Consider the size of your request too. Smaller amounts are often easier to approve because they carry less risk. If you're flexible, starting with a lower cart total or shorter term can improve your chances. If you already have an Affirm plan, make every payment on time. Your payment history is a strong signal of reliability. Even one missed or late payment can make a future approval harder, so set reminders or enable autopay if that's helpful for you. Make sure your personal information is up to date. If you've moved, changed your phone number, or recently changed your name, update those details before you apply. Mismatched information can trigger security checks or lead to declines, and a current mobile number is essential for verification codes. Finally, confirm that what you're buying isn't a restricted item or service. Some categories can't be financed, and attempting to check out with a restricted purchase can result in an automatic denial. If you're unsure, review the merchant's checkout information or Affirm's guidance on permitted purchases. By working through these points before you apply, you'll present the clearest, most accurate picture of your eligibility and increase your likelihood of approval. Take a moment to prepare, then proceed with confidence when you're ready to check out.